let us do the activity 2, that is of number system. So here he is saying to draw a line segment of 1 unit. I have taken 1 inch here so that you can easily see, because 1 centimeter will be very small. Now here we have to draw a 90-degree angle. So to draw 90-degree angle, how I have to use? Using rounder I am making a 90-degree. So for that, first I will make a semicircle with the same measurement. I will draw 60-degree, 120-degree arc, and then with that arc I will make one arc from both the points, so that which cuts each other, and this will be my 90-degree. Now I am joining this exactly like this, so it is 90-degree. The other way to draw 90 degrees directly with scale, I can keep the scale and draw, but that won't be exact. That's why I am using that to make 90-degree. Now again, this line segment I have to cut 1 unit. So I am taking the same measurement and I am making one arc here. So this is my, if I take this point as A, this point as B, so this is my C point. Now I will join A and C. So this value will be my root 2. AC is root 2. So that I have to measure and write in the observation. Same way, now keeping AC as base, I have to make again one semicircle. Now here one arc 60-degree, one arc 120. Now I will be cutting these 2 arcs. From these 2 arcs I will be cutting a 90-degree angle. So I got 90-degree angle. Now I will join that with C point. Again with this as center, I will with C as center and measurement equal to AB, I will make one arc to get 1 unit. So this will be my root 3. This is my root 2. This is my root 3. This is 1 unit, that is which I have taken in the starting. Now with this AD as the base, now I have to make again 90-degree angle there. So I am taking any measurement, making an arc with this as center, one arc, with this as center, one arc. So 60 and 120 degree. Now with 60 I am making one arc, with 120 I am making another arc. So now I am joining that two. Again on this line I will be cutting with measurement AB, that is 1 unit. So with D as center and 1 unit measurement, I am getting E point and I am joining AE to get root 4, and root 4 will be equal to root 2. So same way I have to continue till I want, so I will get a spiral shape. So in the activity book he has shown till root 6. So till root 6 I have to make. Till root 4 I have done. You do till root 6. Thank you.